viewers, welcome back to my channel. So this is my look for dinner today with Noah and Sylvia. So we are going for something real casual. So this is my casual look for dinner today. I'll try and catch snippets of dinner for you all. So I have these fitted pants that are actually quite very long, and I have this crystal top, and of course my crystal sunglasses, my crystal bag. And so this is my look for today. Let me showcase it real quick for you all. And then of course my sequin trim hand scarf.
No kukona kuzi mawea ibeya na me akuma na blaza belt di kaubu Paris mwai marama na mukwi oji sielu nuzo akukonaka elegance nuzo promoku kona elaya kauna gafe Chabula outfit with the chain. Abupoku yana egosi confident. Igbo woman classic and bold. Oneku imutan wear style. Onagosi na mami wear glamour. Obugi na nizi kama kuije. Uzi ya duto boya dezi bomma. Oburo model on wayeche bumma. Unyama upo. Onye si fashion, mama, odi mao. Onye makupo, can run when I touch room. Akuzi na ego si style. Onye makupo, obu professor na queen. Madunile na chekwayanya. Uwanile gama taku, ni mutanwa rudi. Onye makupo, anijigekele. One night, fashionista, professor. Fashionista, professor. No kukona kuzi mawea ibeya na me akuma na blaza belt di kaubu Paris mwai marama na mukwi oji sielu nuzo akukonaka beauty, confident. Igbo woman, classy and bold. Oneku, imutan wear style. When I go see na mami e wear glamour. Obugi na nizi kama kuije. Uzi ya do talk where ya desi bomma. Oburo model on why je bumma. Unye ma upo, onye si fashion. Mama, OOTD ma o. Unye ma upo, can run when I classroom. Akuzi na igo si style. Unye ma upo, obu professor na queen. Madunile na chekwayanya. Wanile gama taku, ni mutangarubi. Unye ma upo, anijigeke.
Looks good. Okay, that's the bread.
Yes, ma'am.
And then my hot water with lemon. Thank you. And then do you have sugar?
Yes, ma'am. We'll be right over in a second.
Okay, tons of sugar. Okay, thank you. Okay, that looks so good. So that's it, my loves, for the showcasing of this look. Comment down below and let me know what you think. And I hope you enjoyed the snippets of dinner I posted here or here. And so till next time I upload another vlog, you all continue to take care. You all continue to find a happy place. Kisses. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Kisses from far away. Careless. Yeah.